How to use Dollar Tree items to decorate your windows. Hey guys, Uniqueness Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be starting off with showing you how you can use plaques to make the base for the window valance. The one I already have that's in white that you can see on the floor, I already used some plaques in making that one, but it's not long enough, so I'm going to be adding this extra plaque here by the side. It's not the same height as the rest of them, but I'm not really worried because it won't show in the end. Now I'm going to be adding foam at the top. I'll be using plaques to attach them to the sides to make it easy for hanging. Now I got these from Family Dollar, but you can get the same thing with the same size from the Dollar Tree. The first design will be with tablecloth, and I got this from the Dollar Tree, and it has a circular shape, so I'm gonna fold it and make my design with it. Now this design that I'm about to make, it's gonna be perfect for the kitchen only because of the fabric used in making the tablecloth.
If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos.
This can be left like this, but I decided to just tuck it in the middle and use bling wrap to hold it down. And I'm also going to be using bling wraps by the side. At this point, I'd like you all to know that I actually received a request, and the lady did say that she wanted something super simple and super easy for windows. Now this idea will be for the kitchen. Now for the second idea, you can use wood and thicker woods by the sides. This is similar to what I already did before, but the only difference is with this one, you use wood. The other ones, I use Dollar Tree items in making the board. I'll be attaching foam to this, just like I did for the other one. This is a table runner that I got from the Dollar Tree that I'll be using for the second design. This design at the Dollar Tree comes also in a cream color, but I chose this color because I would prefer to see this color in my home. I would have used two to cover up the foam that's at the top, but I'm just gonna keep it halfway since it's not wide enough, and the other table runners will be used to cover up the top. I'll be cutting the other table runners into two so that I can have the both ends to make my design. When I was sure of the length that I wanted, for the remaining table runners, I made them shorter as I made the cuts for the design. The lady who made this request is not into a lot of glitter, but I can't help myself. I have to add something to this. So I'm going to add a little bit of diamond wrap to add to the design, and then something else, and maybe another thing. But I don't want to make it too much since she said she's not into, the glam and all of that. But I just have to add something somewhere. So if you don't really like this idea of the diamond wraps over this, you can skip it. I'm also going to be adding crystal buttons at the end of the diamond wraps. Like I said, I cannot help myself. I just have to add something to this. I also added garland beads. The person who made this request is going to be laughing, I know, because she did say she wanted something simple, but I think these are kind of okay. Command strips can be used to mount this on the window since it's not too heavy, but you can also get hooks from the Dollar Tree or from your local hardware store to mount this on the wall. Here are some other designs that I made in the past for a kitchen window, and the link for this video is going to be down in the description box below. Another idea using Dollar Tree items to decorate your window with would be with Dollar Tree bowls. These are silver-plated Dollar Tree bowls that I thought about using because I saw a design like this on TV somewhere and they looked similar to the Dollar Tree bowls. So all you're going to do is glue on all of the Dollar Tree bowls to the board that you're using, and the sides will be covered with mirror reflective paper, and the link for that is going to be down in the description box below. This is how all three designs look like together. I'm yet to mount them on the wall, but I want you guys to see how three of them look like together, and they're all simple designs because I'm responding to a request that insisted on simplicity on the designs. But you all know that once in a while I love to make it extra. Like this video that I made a while back, and this design that I was working on had glam even on the draperies, and the link for this video will be down in the description box below. Now here are the Dollar Tree Valances that I made, starting with the first one. If you don't like this design, you can simply just fold in the extended parts inside. This is what the second design looks like when it's on a window. And this is what the third design looks like. These are just few ideas on how to decorate your windows using Dollar Tree items, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Now don't forget to like it and share with your friends and families as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.